Yeah, you could do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
he could do it for you.
Okay.
I'll tell him to do it right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. Take care.
Thank you.
My antenna. Okay. Thank you so much, man. All right. Yes, guys. So we're getting a car wash today. This car here. And we're just doing a little bit of toss around today, you know. So ride with us through the car wash, guys. Through the car wash. Going through the car wash, guys.
Scary.
Going through the car wash. Going through the car wash, guys. Nice and clean, guys.
Nice and clean. Shiny, shiny.
Shiny, shiny. I gotta check the car. Let's see. I don't need to get a vac because I did that already. I'm just gonna go through here to see if I should do it in here, Liz. Let me do it in here. You always check your car when you come out to the car wash.
And put the antenna.
Yeah, see if you get any damage or anything from the car wash.
Okay. It's a good idea.
Yeah, that's what you do. I don't really need a vacuum, but you should always check your car when you drive it through the car wash. Because you don't know what can happen.
Nice and clean, Gary. Good job.
Yep. And do the final touch when you get home.
Oh,
You know?
okay.
Yeah. Anything else, son? Anything else we got to do? We got to do. All right, let's go on home. Let's see what else we gotta do.
I didn't think of anything else to do while I was there.
Yeah.
It was enough.
All right. This guy. So, what happened today, guys? I had an appointment for my schedule, yearly checkup. So I got a good result from my doctor, and heading home now, guys, to see what next on my agenda. So
Well, you could go for a little drive somewhere.
yeah,
You could go for a little drive up on
name it. Name it and we'll do it.
I was thinking of Lakefront.
All the way up there.
Oh, too far.
Hmm?
I was thinking of Lakefront, but
Yeah.
too far.
Yeah,
But now it's not much traffic.
that's true. But now we do that the next time. I don't want to do such a long video, you know.
Okay, careful.
And these guys don't want to wait, you see? Nobody wants to wait. Nobody wants to wait.
Sheriff looking. Friend sheriff.
Hmm?
The sheriff friend looking at you.
At me? Oh.
She's saying hello.
You want anything out there, man?
I don't really want anything. But
Sure.
I'm saying you could go for a little drive.
Hmm?
You could go for a little drive out.
Yeah.
Or you wanna, if you wanna go home.
Yeah, just drive to the plaza and then go on home. Don't want to do a long video today, really.
Okay.
This guy, so you know, sometimes the bar walk can do incorporate a video like what we're doing right now, just to show you what it's all about, you know. And that's what we do sometimes, you know. There's something I don't understand. I noticed it from the other day. Just giving me, I don't know if it's a need to reset or what.
You go home and fix that.
Yeah.
It's traffic.
I see this. Not supposed to be doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
You know what? Maybe we should have gone to CVS and see if they send the thing.
No, I told him to be ready this fast, son. Oh, wait. You know, I was planning to go up to that place, you know. But I'll wait for another day.
What place?
Let's go on and get something to eat, but, you know. I've had a lot. Where is he coming from?
She.
Is it she?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Sprouts.
Oh, you want to go there?
No. I'm just saying you could have driven that way and show. What's the shopping center name?
Oh, this is Lake, Hacienda Lake Plaza. Hacienda Lake Plaza. Yeah, guys, we're just driving through Pansino Lake Plaza. This is one of the.
And the big ice cream parlor is to your left, but we don't want ice
Oh, you
cream.
want one of that?
No, no.
Cold Stone.
No.
Cold Stone.
No ice cream.
You don't want no Cold Stone?
No.
You're kidding. I'm coming from the doctor, so I could have one.
Stop.
I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I've had ice cream in years, you know. We're going the wrong way, Lizzie.
You're here, boy.
You want ice cream? I want to go get one, right?
Switch in a minute. Pansino Lake Plaza it's a new plaza.
Yes, guys.
Anything at all you want, you can get it.
Yes, guys. This
Favorite
is our neighborhood shopping mall there, center. We got.
The store you want is around.
You got Burlington, you got Sprouts, you got all of them, guys. You name it. You name it.
A lot of stores are here that
You know what I want to go look at, Liz? I want to
you
go
don't have to go up Kissimmee to that store.
I want to go look at some Jeep. You know?
Well, feel free. Can look at some Jeeps.
Huh?
Feel free, but not today. You said you want to go home for breakfast.
Yeah.
Let's look. It's a beautiful day.
First watch is restaurants, breakfast and lunch.
Let's watch not
I did not enjoy that.
no.
Bojango.
I don't like those kind of breakfasts. Five and below, that store change.
Oh, 5 and below.
Stop sign.
You really believe it's 5 and below, Liz? You know, I know.
Or change
It changed to what?
to all price.
All price?
Yeah, all price.
But they still have the sign say 5 and below.
That's wrong. Nothing is no 5 and below.
Mm.
I look through there.
I said 5 below.
5 below.
You see, they made the hole very small. 5 below.
I said I have the $5 right across the front. Look at the front.
Yeah, $5, $5, $5.
Slow down.
1, 2, 3, 4, $5, and then they have the carpet for $7.
All right, you see that?
So how could it be 5 and below, and they have a sign out there for $7?
I don't see anything in there for 5.
Oh, take them to court and beat them to that.
We're not into the court business.
5 and below.
We're
5 and below.
nice and slow. I'm sure all these senior citizens that live around the area very happy for this shopping.
Oh yeah, they're happy for this Crunch Fitness.
Yeah.
They're happy for this shopping center.
Yeah.
Very happy with it.
Get everything you want to do.
I better go the other way, Liz, because they're having construction up on this other end.
Right,
you
right.
know? I don't know if I can come out to this side. It's amazing how they develop all these houses, apartment,
Yeah,
60 and 62 plus, right?
yeah. Beautiful here.
I don't think I can get out this way to make a left. It's on the arrow pointing right turn only.
Yeah. Stop. Right turn on.
Yeah, I gotta use the other one if I want to make a left. Yes, guys, so we're here driving home from the doctor's appointment
Drive through the hospital and
and
show
stop by
them, you know.
to get a car wash
I'm just browsing around.
and just browsing around, getting ready for my walking tomorrow morning, bright and early. Yes, guys, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. And like I tell you guys, don't forget, take care of your health. Health is important.
Just in 5 minutes.
Every year you should go get a yearly checkup on your health. See what's happening, what's not happening. That's what you do. Every year you go get a checkup, guys. Yearly checkup. Save your life. Is this what's his name? No, that's a white. That's a white, right? I could go.
Looks like raining.
No. Crazy.
Beautiful homes to the left.
Yeah, guys, you gotta be 60 plus to live there.
60 and above.
62. 62 and above to live in these condos. So what if you have children?
62 and above don't have small children.
No. What? That's true. Very good guy. Adapt.
Adoption.
What if you have adapt? You can still live there with the kids then?
Maybe it's the wrong place to live.
Yeah, they only want old folks to live there then, right?
Yeah.
Somebody say, 62 plus is young, They never could understand that one. Yeah. Never could understand that one.
You have enough gas in the car?
Yeah. For now, not even half the time.
Okay.
This car can give very good mileage,
Police.
See that? It's right up
To the
there,
right.
man. Yeah. That's why I'm
Stay
driving
in
so
this-
slow.
They stay in the shade.
Yeah, that's why I'm.
Under the
Yeah, he's
trees.
hiding out.
Because the bike, he has no car.
Yeah, he's hiding out.
He's not driving a car, so he can stand under those trees with his bike.
He's doing speed, speed check.
KOA Street.
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm driving so slow. Because I know they're on this road,
Okay, so it's a short.
Oh?
Shorts you're doing. Good.
Yeah, it's okay. Not a long video. Yes, guys, so this is what the weather looks like for us today. Beautiful, beautiful weather. And it's about 66 degrees right now here in Ponciana, guys, Florida. Okay, 66 degrees. It's a lady walking by the park, Liz. Yeah. Yeah.
Get more views.
Yes, guys. Okay, so we're 22 minutes into this video, so it's not going to be a long video for us, because just basically coming from the doctor and stopped to get a car wash, and that's about it. So it's very
exciting coming through the car wash.
It's very exciting coming through the car wash, Liz is saying.
Coming through the car wash.
Yeah.
So watch this video. You must watch coming through the car. Listen to Liz screaming under the car wash. Into the car wash.
Yep. There goes the sheriff. Got a lot of them down here. When I go up to St. Lawrence, and then I can, because this guy's there doing a lot of road work here. So Lorenzo is closed. Yep, they're doing a lot of road work. A lot of guys over there, guys. A lot of road work going on here. See how much of them over there? Lots of road work.
Construction.
Yep.
To the right and to the
Yep.
left of San Lorenzo is closed.
Yeah.
Shut off.
Yep. A lot of road work. So guys, like I said, this is not going to be a long video. So I want to thank you guys. They put up, look at this, they're going to do a lot of road work here, guys. Huh?
They're doing this from one to another.
Yeah. I think they're making preparation because of the overhead road. And it's going to be a lot of detour
Stop
up there,
here.
you know? Huh?
The pink strip stop here. The end of the flag, the pink flag
Yeah.
or red flag.
They might be putting up over a cross thing, you know, to tell you what to do. Because they're going to start a construction down there, you know. Yes, guys, so this is Barry, walking exercise, bringing you an incorporative driving video this morning, coming from the car wash and the doctors, okay? So stay tuned for some more videos like this. I know a lot of you guys like the driving videos, okay? So I'm gonna be bringing you more of that, guys, driving videos, okay? So stick with me and look forward to it, guys. More driving video coming your way soon. All right, like, share, and subscribe, and bless upon each other.
Enjoy the rest of the beautiful day.
One love, guys. One love it is. Take care. Bye for now.